at Tabura, and I'm here today to talk about the earthquake drill. But before we go and proceed to what is an earthquake drill, let us talk first what is an earthquake. So, an earthquake is the sudden movement of the Earth's surface due to the release of pressure under the Earth's crust, which creates a seismic wave and can occur anytime and anywhere. That's why we always need to know the things to do when we encounter earthquake. Why do earthquakes happen? Although the Earth looks like a pretty solid place from the surface, it's actually extremely active just below the surface. The Earth is made up of 4 basic layers: a solid crust, a hot, nearly solid mantle, a liquid outer core, and a solid inner core. A solid crust and top stiff layer of the mantle make up a region called the lithosphere. The lithosphere isn't a continuous piece that wraps around the whole Earth like an eggshell. It's actually made up of giant puzzle pieces called tectonic plates. Tectonic plates are constantly shifting as they drift around the viscous or slowly flowing mantle layer below. This non-stop movement causes stress on the Earth's crust. When stresses gets too large, it leads to cracks called faults. When tectonic plates move, it also causes movements at the faults. An earthquake is the sudden movement of the crust at the fault line. The location where an earthquake begins is called the epicenter. An earthquake's most intense shaking is often felt near the epicenter. However, the vibration from an earthquake can still be felt and detected hundreds or even thousands of miles away from the epicenter. And now, here are the things you need to do during an earthquake. The first thing you need to do during an earthquake is to be calm in order for you to adopt the situation. The second thing you need to do is to perform the earthquake drill, which is the drop, cover, and hold, in order for you to be safe during an earthquake. So, first, you need to drop on your knees and on your arms and cover using your arm. Cover your head and neck like this and crawl under the sturdy table in order for you to be safe during an earthquake. And hold onto that sturdy objects until the shaking is gone. And when you are stuck in the traffic, when there's an earthquake, all you have to do is to put on the brake and stop until the shaking is gone. Second, when you're at the sea during an earthquake, the best thing to do is to drop, cover, and hold until the shaking is gone. And when the shaking is gone, all you have to do is to go to the highest level of the place, because there will be a tendency to have a tidal wave or tsunami. And lastly, when you are outside, the best thing to do is to move to the places where there is no trees, cable wires that can be thrown at you, and perform the drop, cover, and hold with both arms like this. That's it. That's why we must know how to drop, cover, and hold, because earthquake can occur anytime and anywhere.